In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guides in Adobe Express. If you've ever struggled to line up text, images, or shapes so they look clean and professional, this is going to make your workflow much easier. Adobe Express uses built-in smart guides, those purple alignment lines you'll see as you move things around, to help you place elements precisely without guesswork. Start by selecting any element on your canvas. This could be a text box, a logo, a photo, or a shape. Click it so the bounding box appears, then click and drag it across the canvas. As you move it, keep an eye out for the purple lines that pop up. Those are the smart guides in action, showing you where your element lines up with important points, like the exact center of the canvas, the edges, or the position of other elements nearby. Use those guides as your visual cue for accuracy. For example, if you want something centered, drag it toward the middle until a vertical and horizontal purple line appears. This indicates you're perfectly centered both ways. If you're aligning to an edge, drag toward the left, right, top, or bottom until a purple line appears along that boundary. When you're aligning one object to another, move the element slowly until a guide appears connecting their edges or centers. You'll often notice a subtle snap as the element locks into that alignment, which is a helpful confirmation. Once the guide appears and the element is exactly where you want it, release your mouse. That places the item precisely on the guide. You don't need to create or turn on anything extra. The guides are automatic in Adobe Express and show up as you move items close to meaningful alignment points. Repeat this process to dial in your spacing and overall layout. Move each element, watch for the purple lines, and release when they appear. Working one item at a time helps maintain consistency. Align your headers along the same edge, center key elements to the canvas, and match the edges of related items. If a guide doesn't show immediately, move a little more slowly or approach from a slightly different direction so Adobe Express can detect the alignment you're aiming for. By consistently selecting, dragging, watching for the purple smart guides, releasing on the guide, and repeating for each item, you'll achieve a clean, balanced design with precise spacing and alignment. Keep practicing this flow, and your layouts will quickly look more polished and professional.